And with that, we've seen, of course, with all those global forces, a lot of investors are putting their money in more secure investments. Talk about bonds. But question is, do we have alternatives that can help balance Africa's actually financial markets? Let's listen in.
And people think that I'm always marketing equities, but the equity markets that we have right now are trading at all-time lows, 9 times earnings. Any slight movement in the direction of interest rates, the equity markets will just rise,
right, and
really outperform the bond markets. And if you look back, I mean, you're looking at small stocks. I mean, even your own stocks. Let me use the NSE for example. We've traded at an historical high of 28 shillings. We're now at 8 shillings. And we're giving you dividends. 85% of my earnings goes back at dividends. But people don't see that value. So I think there's need for that mind shift. Secondly, we have new solutions. You talked about day trading. Our market has ability to day trade, right. Meaning that you can buy and sell the same stock, same day. We have security lending and borrowing framework, which we've put in place. We have derivatives, which have also new products. We have ETFs. I mean, do you know the ABSA ETF in the last 2 years has actually outperformed? I mean, from 1,250, it's now at about 2,000 shillings per unit. And we extinguished the first allocation. And I think we're about to extinguish the second allocation. So I think we just deserve a clap for that. But we always focus on one asset. So there's a serious risk, and we need to shift.
Markets certainly go through cycles, and this is just one of the cycles we're going through. You know, equity prices, despite, you know, price earnings that Jeff talked about, just do not seem attractive. And another dimension to that is, of course, offshore participation, because we must accept that, you know, offshore participation in the equity markets, as well as the bond space, has substantially reduced. So until we get, you know, a bit of stability or a bit of confidence back into the system, we do know that, you know, prices will obviously remain suppressed. So that probably needs to come through.
Right, that's the market. Now we want to take a look